Welcome to Toy Car Town, where vibrant adventures begin. Ready for a new day, team? I'll dig super fast to keep up with the schedule.
Slow down a bit for safety.
Oh dear. My dump bed is shaking so much, Earth keeps falling. It's a bit heavy. I need to be really careful. La la la! Building a house is so fun! We can't keep doing this! Team, we need to coordinate and follow a sequence. All right, I'll take it slower. Steady! Lift up!
I'll stop singing so the whole team can work easier.
Look, teamwork is great! Teamwork makes everything better.
Oh no! Everything is messed up!
Looks like I parked in the wrong spot. Oh dear. I should be in the red zone over there.
Parking in the wrong place really causes trouble for everyone.
Team! Let's play parking by color and job. This is my spot. Order maintained. A perfect park. Now patients will find me easier. Perfect park. Thanks to construction experience. Did I park well? Precise, like lifting wood.
The spot is just right! Music up now! It looks so neat and beautiful!
Be organized, be safe. Let's be tidy to be safe.
Park! Smart! Tidiness is great!
Oh, if a child runs in here, they could easily trip. We need to clean up immediately before someone falls. Let me scoop all the balls into one place. A bucket full of colorful balls here. Come on, who wants a ride on the cleanup dump truck? I'll take these wooden block friends back to their right home. Careful, slowly, just place it in the right spot. Perfect, not a bit off. La la! It's time for the cleanup song! Clean up, everybody do your share.
It's great! Everything is getting clean again!
Excellent! No more clutter!
clean and safe. Now every child can play safely. We are the best cleanup team in town.
Let's keep everything tidy.
But we need to clear the snow right away.
A clean path is coming! Warm water coming. Be careful not to slip.
Great! The road is safe for everyone now.
Ready to hang the star on top. Slowly. Almost there. Hold it steady. The treetop is shining brightly!
Spin, spin, spin. The lights are twinkling.
Here's the special light of Christmas Eve! Remember, small gifts go on the left. No box must be dented. Our Christmas gift basket is ready. Team, let's start our gift delivery trip.
Sending New York its first warm gift.
San Francisco will love this gift. A gift for London here. Hope they like it.
Sending San Antonio some Christmas love.
Great! Every place received a small gift. Team, follow my lights!
La 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 la, we're heading home in the lights.
No problem. The ice will melt right away. Just in time to light the tree together. Get ready for the most sparkling moment.
Ready to light up the Christmas tree, everyone.
3, 2, 1.
Wow! So beautiful! Christmas joy has come to everyone!
We've shared so much joy.
What a great Christmas mission!
Christmas is about sharing and helping each other.
Let the festive music play. For a lively night.
It's so happy to see everyone smiling.
Everything's stable. We're ready for the festival.
If it's safe, the joy will be complete.
I'll keep the playground clean for the children to have more fun.
Want to see inside the gift box? This night is so beautiful. Everything is perfect. Look at the snow swirling like it's dancing.
We've done a lot of good things today.
Every gift deserves to be placed neatly.
Team, the special moment has arrived!
Christmas is about sharing and thinking of each other. Thank you for a loving holiday season.
Now let's celebrate! Time to celebrate Christmas Eve!
This night is wonderful. Ready to celebrate.
The star is as brilliant as everyone's kindness.
This joy is the greatest gift.
We've completed an amazing journey. This Christmas Eve will be unforgettable.
Friends, thank you for doing your best.
Remember, help, share, and love. That's Christmas.
Sharing makes the world brighter. Thank you for joining us. Merry Christmas. Happy Holidays.